Hey.
You.
Hey, bro,
Jay,
bro.
I love your videos.
He's about to look, he's about to look. Everyone point at me, everyone point at me.
You want an African? Jesus Christ!
You guys blocked me, I couldn't. What the heck?
There's no help!
AJ, where's AJ? Where's AJ?
He's over there!
Come on, JD, be careful. Oh god, he's on the side.
Jesus Christ, I feel like I'm playing on a dang fridge. Hey guys, look at the playing Vail on a damn fridge. Holy crap. Well, I'm gonna make this a YouTube short, playing Vail on a dang fridge. I highly doubt my video can even hear me, bro. Gatorade. I can't hear. Jeez. Oh.
How did I die? Bro, what the hell?
Bro, freak this.
Oil.
Tug. At this.
Guys, I only get one more.
Bro.
Yep.
Bro, did you... Why does it sound like I'm playing on a damn microwave, bro?
3 times?
Sure.
Dude, I literally cannot aim, bro. It's too laggy.
Yeah, I died 3 times. That's why we're resetting.
Can you only die 3 times?
What, you can only die 3 times? No,
but
it's
you
the
can-
it's the
that's the
leader.
rule.
It's the leader. It's the leader. It's only the leader who can do that. It's only AJ who can die 3 times.
Sounds like a washing machine, bro.
AJ,
Yeah, I
did you
died 3
die like
times.
4 times?
Wait, he's died 2
Bro, that
two
means we
times?
lost. That means
Guys,
we
we're the
lost.
best bodyguards ever.
Yeah, I
We
was the VIP
lost.
who
What do
died
you mean?
3 times.
We can't fight.
Here, as a souvenir. You can have a souvenir.
Shoot
You want
any
a
clips,
silver
but
square?
he needs to die.
You want a souvenir? Here's some lead.
Dude, bro, you're
Here's
gone
some
in
lead
soup.
souvenir. Lead souvenir for AJ.
I go. I can't juggle.
Eclipse should be our next VIP because he can definitely carry his own. Right? Totally.
Yes, he can.
Shoot myself.
Everybody use the PM9.
Or you know what? Blue likes to. Oh.
Use PM9. It's good. It's an automatic pistol. It's like the
10
best
people,
Yeah.
dude. I killed like 10 people.
Why did you
But you guys were good
die?
too. Like, you guys were good too.
Does it matter how many times? Does it matter how many times we die?
No.
No, it doesn't matter how many times the bodyguard dies. It just matter
You
how
might have to
many-
be our VIP because you're really good with the rifles and stuff.
Who? Who's gonna be it? Whoa.